Word of the day: idolatrous. The word idolatrous, adjective, means showing excessive admiration or devotion to someone or something, often to the point of treating them like an idol or god. It can also refer to the worship of idols. Mnemonic: think of idolatrous as idle plus atrocious, implying excessive devotion to an idol or idea that can go too far. Example 1. The fans' idolatrous adoration of the celebrity led them to follow her every move obsessively. Example 2. Some ancient cultures were known for their idolatrous practices, worshipping statues and symbols as deities. Example 3. His idolatrous focus on wealth made him neglect his family and personal values. Once again, idolatrous, adjective, means showing extreme admiration or devotion, often to the point of worship. Thank you for watching. Visit us at www.QEFAS.com. Please like our page, subscribe, or leave some comments with your own example of how to use the word of the day.